Hello everyone. Come back again about the cathode ray tube. This is for A level physics. Yeah. We have this diagram of the question. Yeah. The question are the diagram below illustrates an experiment with electrons. Yeah. A beam of electron is created using an electron gun and deflected using an electron field. So you can see the diagram here. This is filament, this is electron, this is positive V plate, and this is negative V plate. Okay, the question first is, explain how the electron gun creates a beam of electrons. And so the diagram of that will help your explanation. Okay, I repeat again about the question. Yeah. Explain how the electron gun creates a beam of electrons. And at the diagram if the will have your explanation. Okay. So this is element, this is the potential V flat, and this is negative V flat. Yeah. So electron can be. Yeah. How does it happen? Yeah. As I mentioned before, if there is a high voltage, if this is high voltage, and this, for example, filament, for example, iron or plate, can cannot accommodate of the electron flow. That electron flow it will be emit. Yeah. So I give the diagram. Yeah, I'll give the diagram. This is the potential energy. The potential energy means SQV. Yeah, this is same. And V is high voltage. So when the plate or filament or something cannot accommodate the flow of electron, that cannot accommodate flow of electrons. So yeah, it make as electron gun. Yes, actually this is about why the reason why electron can emit from one uh, metal. Yeah, because that metal cannot accommodate the energy, yeah, produced by potential energy. Why? Because this is high energy. Because also this is the potential energy is big. Yeah, the big. Yeah, you can see if the we can see if the on the cathode ray tube, this is the potential energy more than 1,000 volt. Yeah, so the electron flow can be a lot of electron flowing on the that metal. Okay, the question two are the electron. Yeah, I repeat again. The electron are isolated from rest. Through the potential different 30, 40 volt. Yeah, calculate their speed as they leave the gun. Okay. He told me about the potential 340 volt. Yeah. How fast the electron, if they're coming from the rest, yeah, how fast the electron move it. So actually, this is the produced by the uh, potential energy it makes the electron have kinetic energy. So we can say the potential energy equals to kinetic energy. Yes. The potential energy is QV here, or Q is charge of electrons. So we can say this is EV. E means as the charge of electron. Yes. Volt is yes. Then equals to a half mv squared. Yes. A half mass of electron. This is around 9.1 times minus 31 v squared. V squared. Sorry, this is so small, yeah. So I will use calculator for the wait 1.6. Sorry, 1.6 times 240. Let's say here is for 544 and times 2 and divided by 9.1. Yes, here is so we can write first here. This is actually 119.56 times, yes, 31 minus 19, 12. So V equals to root of, yeah, 119.56. Yes, 10 power 10 point, yes, this is 10.9 times 6, or we can say here is 1.9 times 7 meter second. Yes, this is actually the electron velocity, electron speed when they come from rest and has accelerated by potential energy. Okay, now the other question. The other question, yeah, the other question. Explain what it's mean by term of electric field. Okay, electric field. Electric fields as the now here, yeah. I use the marker with red one. This is negative and this is positive. So the electron field is spread out from the positive charge and coming in on the negative charge. So we can say this is the positive and here is negative. Actually, on the diagram, if we know about the positive and negative, IRS4, yeah, IRS4. Positive and negative, yeah. The positive is spread out from D, from P, C, and negative is spread in. This is the factor of the electric field. Yes, so it means on the positive plate, they go down. On the negative, also they go down. On the positive, they spread out from him, and on the negative, they spread in to him. Yes, okay. Now continue about other question. The final question, I think. The final question is, about the calculation. The electric field which deflects the beam is created by applying a potential difference of 2,500 volts across 9.0 centimeter apart. So the vertical acceleration of the electron due to this field about 5.5 times 10 power 15 meter second minus 2, Okay, I will read first about the question, about the given R, and what the number we need to prove it. Yes, here. I want to erase first. Sorry, my eraser so uh, ridiculous here, but I hope you understand about what I talking about. Yeah. Yes, here when we have delta V or V actually 2500 volt, and we have the across plate separate plate is, let's say D is 9.0 centimeter, let's say -2 in meter. Yeah, we could directly change into SI unit. So the vertical acceleration of the electron to this field is about. We need to find, is it correct? A as the 5 times 10 power 15 meter second minus 2. Okay, let me try. Yeah, let me try. I hope this question is proven. Oh. From the Newton's second law, we know about the A as the force divided by M, right? So F as the QA, right? Sorry. And M. Continue again breakdown. A as the V over D, right? So we have Q, V, and D. Q is constant, the electron charge. V is voltage to 1500 volt. Mass as the constant mass of the electron, and D is 9.0 times 10 power minus 2 meter. So we calculate this number. A as the Q electron is 1.6 times minus 19. Volt is 2500 volt, and mass as the 9.1 times 10 minus 31. And D separate of this plate is 9.0 times 10 power minus 2. Okay, guys, we can prove it. Let's calculate this number. The first numbers is 1.6. 1.6 times, let's say we use 25 here, and divided by 9.1 and divided again by 9. Yes. See guys, 0.455. So actually this is something with 5. Yeah. 5.0 times. Okay, we see this one. 19. Okay. 19 2, yeah. 2 minus 19 and plus 33. 16. So 16 minus 1, yes, this is 15. You can see this, the A actually proven by 5.0 times 10 power minus power 15 in meter second minus 2. This is the same thing with this one. So we can proven it, yeah, by using the formula here and then break down to here and break down to here again. So we can A, the acceleration of the electron after they have accelerated by electric field. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, also share. Please give me the comment if you want to explain something about the physics on A or S level or IGCS. Thank you very much. See you in other videos.